Hello friends, welcome to Let's Crack UPSC CSE English. In our crash course targeted for Prelims 2021 Inspire, now today we'll see Article 324 of our Indian Constitution. Yes friends, now already we have covered so many topics. So I hope everyone revising what we have covered in our polity section. So friends, now new preliminary examination date is 10th October. So please utilize this extra time to revise and practice more question papers. Before going to start today's session, it's my pleasure to welcome you all on Unacademy, India's largest learning platform. It's me, Rushikesh Inamdar, guiding UPSC aspirants from last 8 years. You can follow me on Unacademy and you can join our Telegram group using this link. Friends, we are providing 4-in-1 offer on our platform where you will get printed notes worth rupees 10,000 absolutely free with minimum 1 year subscription. In mega subscription offer, you will get guaranteed validity till next preliminary examination of 2022 in 1 year subscription, and those aspirants facing financial constraint to start their preparation, Unacademy is providing loan for them to subscribe or for the UPSC subscription on our platform, and 10% discount using referral code RBI Live. So it's limited period offer. So hurry up and enroll yourself for Unacademy courses. This is huge discount on combo subscription. So friends, you will get huge discount in our combo subscription for general studies and optional subject. This offer is extended till 26th May. And those aspirants will opt for minimum 2 years of iconic subscription. For first 100 students, will provide one-on-one personal mentoring session with top educators. Now those aspirants pursuing their graduation or after their 12th examination, planning to start their preparation for civil services, they can go with our iconic subscription, in which they will get all the features of plus courses along with additional features like personal guidance, study planner, study material, and experts guideline. These are the paid courses available on our platform where you can use referral code RBI Live to get 10% discount. These are the combo subscriptions. And friends, we are going to start new batch from 19th of May. So you can join 1 year, 2 year batches and NCRT batches. Yes, we are providing free test series for all aspirants where you can use code RBI Live to unlock the test. Unacademy Combat on every Sunday morning, 11 am. It's completely free for all aspirants. So we'll start Article 324 of the Constitution, which provides that the power of superintendence, direction and control of elections to Parliament, state legislatures and the office of President of India and the Vice Presidents of India shall be vested in the Election Commission. Yes, Article 324 which deals with the Election Commission. Now, we'll understand the various aspects of Election Commission of India. The Election Commission is a permanent and independent body established by the Constitution of India directly to ensure free and fair elections in the country. Now we'll see composition. So Article 324 of the Constitution has made various provisions to the composition of Election Commission. So the Election Commission shall consist of Chief Election Commissioner and such a number of other elections commissioners, if any, as the President may from time to time fix. Now there are two other election commissioners along with Chief Election Commissioner. The appointment of the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners shall be made by the President of India. Yes, when any other election commissioner is so appointed, the Chief Election Commissioner shall act as the chairman of the Election Commission. Yes, friends. Now the President may appoint, after consultation with the Election Commission, regional commissioners as he may consider necessary to assist the Election Commission, and the condition of service and tenure of office of the election commissioners and the regional commissioners shall be determined by the President. Yes, friends. So this is the provisions to the composition of Election Commission. Now, the Chief Election Commissioner and two other election commissioners have equal powers and receive equal salary, allowances, and other perquisites, so which are similar to those of a judge of the Supreme Court. Yes, in case of difference of opinion amongst the Chief Election Commissioner and other election commissioners, the matter is decided by the Commission by majority, and they hold office for a term of 6 years or until they attain the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. They can resign at any time or can also be removed before the expiry of their term. Now, independence. So Article 324 of the Constitution has made provisions to safeguard and ensure the independent and impartial functioning of the Election Commission. So friends, as we know, as we have aware about various state elections also and Lok Sabha elections, where the role of Election Commission is very important. Yes. So the Chief Election Commissioner is provided with the security of tenure. He cannot be removed from his office except in same manner and on the same grounds as a judge of the Supreme Court. In other words, we can say the Chief Election Commissioner can be removed by the President on the basis of resolution passed to that effect by both the Houses of Parliament with special majority, either on the ground of proved misbehavior or incapacity. Thus, he does not hold any office. Sorry. Thus, he does not hold his office till the pleasure of the President, though he is appointed by him. Yes. The service conditions of the Chief Election Commissioner cannot be varied to his disadvantage after his appointment. Any other election commissioner or regional commissioner cannot be removed from office except the recommendation of the Chief Election Commissioner. Though the Constitution has sought to safeguard and ensure the independence and impartiality of Election Commission, there are some flaws can be noted. For example, the Constitution has not prescribed the qualifications of the members of the Election Commission. The Constitution has not specified the term of the members of the Election Commission, and the Constitution has not debarred the retiring election commissioners from any further appointment by the government. So these are the flaws can be noted in regards with the Election Commission. So after the independence, now we'll see powers and functions. The powers and functions of the Election Commission with regard to elections to the Parliament, state legislature, and offices of President and Vice President can be classified into three categories. So there are administrative powers and functions, advisory, and quasi-judicial. So, to determine the territorial areas of the electoral constituencies throughout the country on the basis of Delimitation Commission Act of Parliament, to prepare periodically revised electoral rolls, and to register all eligible voters. Then, to notify the dates and schedules of elections and to scrutinize nomination papers, to grant recognition to political parties and allot election symbols to them, to act as a court for settling disputes related to granting of recognition to political parties and allotment of election symbols to them, to appoint officers and for inquiring into disputes relating to electoral arrangements, then to determine the code of conduct to be observed by the parties and the candidates at the time of elections, to prepare a roster for publicity of the policies of the political parties on ratio and TV in times of elections, to advise the President on matters relating to the disqualifications of the members of Parliament, to advise the Governor on matters relating to the disqualifications of the members of state legislature, then to cancel polls in the event of rigging, both capturing, violence and other irregularities, to request the President or the government for requestioning the staff necessary for conducting elections, now to supervise the machinery of elections throughout the country to ensure free and fair elections, then to advise the President whether elections can be held in a state under President's rule, in order to extend the period of emergency after 1 year, then to register political parties for the purpose of elections and grant them the status of national or state parties on the basis of their poll performance. Yes. So these are the powers and functions. And the election commission is assisted by deputy election commissioners. They are drawn from the civil service and appointed by the commission with tenure system. They are assisted in turn by secretaries, joint secretaries, deputy secretaries, and under secretaries posted in the secretariat of the commission. So at the state level, election commission is assisted by the chief electoral officer, who is appointed by the chief election commissioner in consultation with the state government. And below this, the district level, the collector acts as district returning officer. He appoints a returning officer for every constituency in the district and presiding officer for every polling booth in the constituency. Yes. Now, after the powers and functions, we'll see vision, mission, and principles of election commission. So, vision of election commission to be an institution of excellence by enhancing active engagement, participation, and deepening and strengthening electoral democracy in India and globally. Mission: the Election Commission of India maintains independence, integrity, and autonomy, ensures accessibility, inclusiveness, and ethical participation of stakeholders, and adopts higher standards of professionalism for delivering free, fair, and transparent elections to strengthen the trust in electoral democracy and governance. Yes, Ramkumar, in today's session we are learning about election commission. Then the guiding principles of election commission. So the commission has laid down for itself guiding principles of good governance to uphold the values enshrined in the constitution, that is equality, equity, impartiality, independence, and rule of law in superintendence, direction, and control over the electoral governance. To conduct elections with highest standard of credibility, freeness, fairness, transparency, integrity, accountability, autonomy, and professionalism. To ensure participation of all eligible citizens in the electoral process is an inclusive, voter-centric, and voter-friendly environment. To engage with political parties and all stakeholders in the interest of electoral process. To promote awareness about electoral process and electoral governance among stakeholders, namely voters, political parties, election functionaries, candidates, and people at large, and to enhance and strengthen confidence and trust in the electoral system of this country, to develop the human resource for effective and professional delivery of electoral services, to build quality infrastructure for smooth conduct of electoral process. To adopt technology for improvement in all areas of electoral process, to strive for adoption of innovative practices for achieving excellence and overall realization of the vision and mission, to contribute towards the reinforcement of democratic values by maintaining and reinforcing confidence and trust of the people in the electoral system of the country. Now, yes, so these are the guiding principles of election commission. So friends, Article 324, it's all about election commission, functions, powers and composition, vision, mission and guiding principles of election commission. Yes. So friends, just have a recap. Before that, you can join friends new batches from 19th May. We have 1 year, 2 year and NCRD batches. Those aspirants planning to appear for preliminary examination this year, please go with our free test series where we will cover complete general studies and current affairs part and Unacademy combat. Absolutely free for all aspirants. We are conducting this Unacademy combat, that is biggest scholarship test in India for UPSC aspirants, on every Sunday morning 11 a.m. So you can use code RBI Live to enroll for the Unacademy combat. We have covered Article 324 of the Constitution, which provides the power of superintendence, direction, and control of elections to Parliament, state legislatures, the Office of President of India, and the Office of Vice President of India shall be vested in the Election Commission. Commission is a permanent and independent body established by the Constitution of India, which ensure free and fair elections in the country. Then we have covered the composition of Election Commission. So presently there are Chief Election Commissioner and two other election commissioners. So the Chief Election Commissioner and the two other election commissioners are equal powers. Then we have covered independence, so Article 324 of the Constitution made various provisions to safeguard and ensure the independent and impartial functioning of the Election Commission. So the Election Commissioner is provided with the security of tenure. The service conditions of the Chief Election Commissioner cannot be varied to his disadvantage after his appointment. Then any other election commissioner or regional commissioner cannot be removed from office except on the recommendation of the Chief Election Commissioner. Then we have covered powers and functions of Election Commission. So Election Commission determining the territorial areas of the electoral constituency. They are prepare and periodically revise electoral rolls and campaigning for the registering eligible voters, to notify the dates and schedule of the elections and scrutinize nomination papers of candidates, These are the some functions and powers we have covered. Then we have discussed about vision, mission and principles. So the Election Commission of India strives to be an institution of excellence by enhancing active engagement, participation, active engagement, participation, and deepening and strengthening electoral democracy in India and globally. Then we have covered mission and guiding principles. So friends, that's it for today's session about Article 324. Now, in the next session, in our Inspire crash course, we'll start with new topic. Till the time, keep revising, keep studying. See you in the next lecture. Stay home, stay safe. All the best. Thank you.